In this video, I'll show you how to copy content from DeepSeek AI to Word or Google Docs. If you want to move an answer from DeepSeek into a document, the process is very simple. DeepSeek provides its AI through its web and app services, and the easiest method is to copy the response text from the chat, then paste it into Microsoft Word or Google Docs. From there, you can keep the original formatting or paste it as plain text, depending on how clean you want the result to look. First, open DeepSeek and generate the response you want to save. Then highlight the part of the answer you need. After that, copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. If DeepSeek shows a copy button next to the response, you can use that too. But selecting the text manually works as well when you only want part of the answer. Now let's paste it into Microsoft Word. Open your Word document, click where you want the text to go, and press Ctrl+V or Command+V. If the text brings over unwanted styling, Microsoft says you can paste as plain text with Ctrl+Shift+V, or paste normally and then use paste options to choose how the content should appear. That is useful when copied text includes odd fonts, spacing, or colors. For Google Docs, the process is almost the same. Open your document, click where you want the content, and press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. If you want a cleaner result without the original styling, Google's official shortcuts page says you can use Ctrl+Shift+V to paste without formatting. That is usually the best choice when you want the text to match the style of your existing document. Here is one helpful tip. After pasting, quickly check the headings, bullet points, and line spacing. AI answers can sometimes paste with extra spaces or formatting that does not match your document. In Word, you can use paste options to keep source formatting or switch to text only. In Google Docs, pasting without formatting usually gives you the cleanest starting point. So that's how to copy content from DeepSeek AI to Word or Google Docs. Copy the response from DeepSeek, paste it into your document, and use plain text paste when you want a cleaner layout that is easier to edit. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.